It'll be better. That'll be better. You got to start somewhere, man. I've been starting. I've been started YouTube and Twitch and like the whole like content creation thing a long time ago, man. Like a long time ago, and like getting 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 to this point, I got a lot of thank you for like TikTok. Like I gotta thank TikTok a ton. Crosshair placement looks so much better. I appreciate that. I appreciate QWERTY that you've noticed that my crosshair placement has gotten a lot better. But yeah, like starting like doing this whole thing. TikTok is probably the catalyst in like being able to get people to come to the stream, because like and getting people to subscribe to your YouTube channel and getting people to go to all the places that you need them to go so that you can serve them the content that you want to serve them. And find all the people that like to watch the content that you like to make, instead of trying to make content specifically for, I guess, certain people, right? So like when I was on TikTok, I started with what did I start? I started with Apex, right? I started with Apex, and then I moved on to fighting games. With fighting games, even though I really like fighting games will come later. But fighting games they're too small to start with. So I was like, well, what other games do I like? What other games do I want to play? I was like, you know what? I think I'll play Valorant, because I did want to play Valorant. I started playing Valorant, and I was like, I'll just make some content. And really, my friend Mook, I don't know if he's still in chat, but my friend Mook, he was the person that told me, he was like, yo, you should make this thing that happened in Valorant. It was like I forget exactly what happened. It was like I did, like, it was like a really bad play, and then like I had a really good play, and he was like, yo, you should make that a TikTok. And I think it would do really good. And I was like, all right. So I made it a TikTok. I made that a TikTok. I made a few more Valorant TikToks, and then those TikToks got way more views than I thought they would get. They got a couple thousand views, and I was like, usually my stuff gets around like 300 to 500 views. Those got a couple thousand, like 3,000 to 4,000 views, and I was like, I guess I'll start making Valorant stuff. And I was like Iron 1, and I did the whole like journey thing of Iron 1 and trying to like learn the game and all that kind of stuff. And then eventually I wanted to move on to doing more games or other games, because like I got to a point where it was like, all right, I feel like I'm kind of stagnating in Valorant, and I do want to play some other stuff. So I started making other videos and making other, content on other games. And then I circled back around to Valorant, because I woke up one night and I was like, yo, dog, I really want to get better. I need to get better. How can I get better? I need to play more. Like I need to play more, and I need to just kind of like learn my own way, and learn some things from coaching videos. Like I still be watching coaching videos. I still be watching like, just other stuff, and trying to figure out, okay, I'm just going to go do stuff, and whatever I do, I'm just going to learn from it and try to keep going. But yeah, I think I've improved a lot. Like I can feel the improvement. I can feel the improvement, and like I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. Hopefully, I can continue to get better and get good enough to carry these people in iron and bronze. Like that's my first goal. Carry these people out of iron and bronze. TikTok streams are great for growing. Yeah, TikTok streams are amazing, dude. Amazing. 1K subs and 4K watch hours for monetization, right? Yeah. How many people have bought your clothing brand? My 2 people that are not my family. Like 2 people that are not my friends or family. I think it was 2 people. It's either 1 or 2 people that bought a hoodie from me that I don't know. And the rest of the people that bought stuff for me is either like friends of mine or like family members that were like wanted to support, which is cool. But I also keep forgetting to push it, and I have to probably I'm gonna put my in fact, maybe I can do it. Let me see if I do it right. I want to put it right here on this screen, because I might remove, because I always forget to turn chat on right here, and I don't really need chat right here. But maybe I can move this down. Let me see. Let's make a few changes to the screen real quick. Before I forget, because I know I'm gonna forget. So I gotta find the other screen that has it. Okay, here's this one. Copy. Paste. Like I could put this here. And then, or make this a little bit smaller and then put chat underneath of it. Put that under my solo link. And then I can take TikTok chat, which is usually here, and put it like down here, cut it off a little bit. And then I'll just remove YouTube chat because it's like down here somewhere. Let's hide that. That's good for now. My No Evil merch, go check it out. It's in my solo.to link. I did put it on here. It says merch and socials, but let me move that over because it's not. Let's move it a tiny bit so you can see it right there. So there we go. Now we got that there. Now we got my No Evil merch icon. Boom. When's the Ion FGC and Joel's collab? I don't know, man. Joel's is he's large now. Maybe one day when I feel comfortable enough, I'll try to get some coaching from Joel's. Maybe that'll be cool because I do watch a lot of I do watch Joel's. Joel's is cool. I watched his video today about how he got started, which was his 100K special. I think he posted it 3 months ago, but I was watching his 100K special and it's inspirational and it's also like, damn man, I gotta play that much in order to. And he got Radiant though, like he's Radiant. So, but he played a lot of CS:GO when he was a kid, and he was just like super into CS:GO. And then like he played League of Legends. He's gotten like high ranks in multiple different like types of games, and so it's like he's just good. He's just that guy. But I'm not necessarily trying to get Radiant right now. Like I'm not saying that I'm trying to get Radiant or I'm trying to get Immortal or I'm trying to get Diamond. My goals are like I want to be good enough to get out of the current rank. So like I already know that I can like play well enough to do what I'm trying to do, but like I still have to refine like what I'm doing. Like I still have to refine my situational awareness, which is just gonna take time, in my opinion. Like I'm just gonna play matches. I'm gonna get used to what people like to do, especially like on B site on Pearl, on defense with Breach, right? I'm like, people plant behind this spot all the time, which is not an ideal place to plant the spike. But like if you gotta plant it, you plant it there, right? But if you can, you want to put it out in the open, right? You want to put it out in the open if you can, or behind that other box so you can watch it from long, right? But since people like to put it there, and then Sage puts a wall up, she put a wall up right there. It was like, okay, as soon as you start planting, I'm going to shoot this thing through the wall, and you're either going to die trying to plant the spike, or it's gonna push you off of trying to plant spike, and then you're gonna have to back up, and now your wall is helping us, and we can peek behind your wall, like just different stuff like that. That's something that I would have never thought of when I was actually Iron, right? But like after playing a ton, you just kind of like develop this sense of what people like to do and try to figure out a way to counter it and use your utility and the smartest ways you can think of at the time. So it is what it is. You're probably gonna buy merch. I would appreciate it if you can. If you can, great. If you can't, Don't worry about it. You know, it's there. It's there because I need to have it there to have some way to like support stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like I want to move this over. It's bothering me that it's touching the thing and it's not like centered. And there's all this space over here. This is like coming from a designer type of thing. Move this over. Let's move it like right here. Here we go. That's better. All right. All right. I like it. I like it. I like it.